Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is Jules and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't lose against Brighton 3-0. For that match, Arsenal played woefully. This is not something to say unanimously. Everybody all over the world accepts say Arsenal don't play woefully. Like we're second best, so they play against a Brighton side. We get their own plan. For the first half, they were over like 30 fouls. Because when I thought they talk, I mean say they were over 30 fouls in the first half. But now stop and start, stop and start, stop and start. Like the foul too much, we don't get our rhythm. They don't get their rhythm. You get, and I think I said the reason we can be like that because we deploy man-to-man marking. Then self deploy man-to-man marking. So no space for anybody to do anything. But for the second half, especially when they can score that their first goal. Now that first goal isn't supposed to happen because Kivio leave Enciso when he's supposed to mark go the tie in boots. Now in the claim say person match in shoe in boots, so the shoe come out, it can't come out the tire. But people like Roy Keane, people like Ian Wright, all those pundits, everybody they para for this guy say that was not the time for you to be tying your boots. There is no law that says you cannot stand with one boot and not the ball out. After ball don't go out of play, you can't tie your boot. How can you be tying your boots in the as game they go on? It shows like his inexperience and childishness. Like people they para for the guy excuse me say and he was fouled, say person kicking leg, so say he expected the ref go blow, say VAR go overturn am. You can't be hoping on VAR as you dey for the field of play. Nobody go penalize you say because you wear one leg of boot. So that is what it should be. But the other match now, so Partey race ball against West Ham, touch Declan Rice, they hope say referee go blow. When you go focus on your gameplay, they hope say referee go blow. So it is what it is. I think that they complain say we let in 2 cheap goals we're not supposed to concede on a good day. In short, everything just did very painful. Even after everything for the media setting, I think that when they apologize to Arsenal fans, because they talk say I apologize to Arsenal fans for letting them down. So make everybody blame him. Then I ain't gonna take the blame because no matter and they like to shield all these players. Get it? They don't do anything, go shield them. So okay, put the blame on me, no matter what it is. So it don't happen, we say it don't happen. The title race is now completely over. Nothing remain we go talk about the title race. Even Laporte itself for Man City player post for Twitter, but come post John Cena. John Cena say, I can smell it. Now we see himself post because they happy say they don't already win the title. In short, we will even play ahead of them before they go play against Chelsea. So there's possibility if Nottingham Forest when they fight for their lives go knock us, they go win the league before they play against Chelsea. So it is what it is. So this season we don't end second. So we'll just take in good stride and move forward. Don't happen, say don't happen. So moving forward, now to come by players, now remain because this kind of thing will happen this time around. Make it not happen next season because next season may be tougher than this season. At the same time, it may be easier for us. Nobody knows, depending on who will buy. Alright, back at the targets, Messi and Zubimendi. You know, say Arsenal are interested in this Zubimendi, so I never really know whether they will go for him. Before they talk, say they don't want to go for Zubimendi again because if you check, we'll see say this their player Busquets don't retire at the end of this season. We'll say no play again. So now only the young will do there. So they are looking at getting one more DM. So maybe now Zubimendi, but I don't know whether they get the money to pursue all these deals. So whether Arsenal self they even they go for the Zubimendi, we don't really know. So we'll just watch. Ebola will be one of the reputable media houses out there. They come outside, they let us know say Bayern Munich no go pay £61.5 million for Cancelo. Say in fact, Bayern no dey look Cancelo side there, so they get their own choice. And listen at Tuchel, now be Bayern Munich coach, and no be even Tuchel bring Cancelo and Nagelsmann. So as that one don't go, Tuchel will get his own players when they feel say he won't bring in. So for that reason, he no feel say the guy they worth that amount, £61.5 million. So the guy will be going back to Man City amid Arsenal's interest in signing him. So we'll just watch how all these things will play out. Any I will be, I will let you know. For those who know they are aware, so Pochettino is going to be Chelsea new coach. He don't agree everything, so that they wait to make this season finish. Then for pre-season, he will take over from Lampard because Lampard is just like an interim manager. So now the guy they talk say they get too much squad, so he's going to be thinning out the players. So now the question I want to ask now is which players you feel so if you go Chelsea go collect? You can't tell me that all the Chelsea players are bad just because they play for Chelsea. So who is so if you go mean? Shina Sterling will just score 2 goals. She will go carry Sterling, go carry Mason Mount, Shina Pulisic. Who you think? Shina Hakim Ziyech. Who you feel say for all the players who did there, we see carry, you go make it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What I know go agree and say because they are coming from Chelsea, they are not good. No, I would disagree with you on that. There are some players that are there, that are fringe players that are better than those we have on the bench. Ajay, you get João Felix, Mogo Colette. Like, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All the guys don't concede, say the title race don't be over after what we will play. Like, check Man City, there are 4 games, they are 4 points ahead of us with 1 more game. Come on now. What do you expect? So how many games to go? So for winning are like 2 games to go. So there's no magic. They just win Chelsea. They will only like 7 points. So what's the point? So it don't make any sense again. You don't end, you say don't end. At least we give a good showing. Like what I said at the top, saying they're proud of the boys for the past 10 months. Nobody expected us to be where we are. Just like what your man himself they talk yesterday for the full-time analysis, saying they're proud of the boys. They gave a good showing. Even Michael Ricard itself, we one of the former Man City player, they come outside and they talk say this Arsenal side. So what it really affect them that they are shambolic and shallow second 11, their bench was very, very shallow. Like as Martinelli get injury, you just bring in Trossard. Who remain for the bench? Who remain? Yes. Nelson still came in and tried his best, but that is what it is. We don't have a big name here. Like what I don't know who talk that. Whether Baba Sato, Abena Magnus, Abena Mani. I don't know. Somebody was saying if you look Man City, you know that Man City made 3 changes against Everton, and you don't go notice. De Bruyne no play. You don't go even know Grealish no play. You don't go even notice. Check, you go see say Alvarez come in, stay there, good. Gundogan, they get players we come in, Foden come in, Mahrez come in. These are players that we did not even play against Real Madrid. That's what they be. So we don't feel, and you know, say the truth is like Ogaman in the top. The same point so we did. I would see Napoli take carry league, get when nobody feel meets them again. The same point so we did like this. Now let's start take carry league. 81 points. Now let's start take carry league. This Man City, they've taken the standard of this league to a very, very high bar. They don't raise the bar. So if you want to win this league, with the aim say we get at 90-something points, with the very, very hard, you get. So that's the standard of the league. That's why the EPL is the most competitive league in the world. So my brothers and sisters, it don't happen. We say it don't happen. A lot of people they vex. But for me, all of them don't say me. I don't even put body for the league title because I don't come up body since. But I don't come up body. So I be advising them not come up body. Then if it can't happen, it happen. If it don't happen, what's it long? Yeah, we'll just leave until next season. We'll go our Champions League. About Roy Hodgson himself, when he talk say Crystal Palace, they very, very confident say they will survive after Zaha come out together. So then they okay. So no shaking you get. So even if Zaha no sign contract, my fault. So they're quite alright. So I never know where Zaha they go. Olympic Marseille the reason no matter, Arsenal the reason no matter. Where go last. My brother, I don't know. Because I know say the boy in Arsenal fan be. If Arsenal go for him officially, say Zaha come play for us. Shola, I believe saying go come because now Arsenal fan. Say they sign people over and go the vex. Everybody know that one. You go for the public domain. So we just watch last so that Arteta they look in direction because Arteta don't they sign experienced players so they 30-29. So age no be factor again. We know they look age. But when they look now, what are you bringing to the table? So we'll just see how this transfer window will be. Are they confident that we will sign players? Because it thinks you know the vex Arteta. You know say the guy said the vex. Yesterday they get a yellow card. Instead of not happy with the since they go. But it is what it is. So we'll just see how everything will turn out. Our PS Morgan now come and say the para. So back on the top say Brighton totally outplayed us, outclassed us, outpassed us. Like they were better than us, both for the first half and both for the second half. And what you got the pen and say this is a Brighton side that an Everton, who is a relegation threatened side, beats them 5-1, and we no confident beat them. Now be the same thing why they talk say no 2 games are equal. Everything did different. Like what I think that they talk, saying there for media setting, when they talk say yes, everybody was proud of him. They go Newcastle, go beat Newcastle. But now they apologize because we couldn't win Brighton. That's what football be. Brighton no be small team. You get Brighton is pushing to go and play Europa League. They are good. Brighton beat Manchester United not too long ago. They're good. We'll pay them. Give them their flowers. They are good. You get this season. They are doing something remarkable. Look at they still get like 2 outstanding matches or thereabouts, and look at where they are on the table. Do you know that they win their 2 remaining matches now? They will be above Liverpool. They will challenge all those time. Man, you them. If Man you go do anyhow, Brighton win all their games. They go enter Champions League. Mathematically, it is possible. So I don't know how it will be. So we'll just give them the flowers on today. They play better than us. Last season they beat us 2-1. Today now, this season yesterday they beat us 3-0. We go down home, we beat them 4-2. That was why when I was saying we beat them 4-2 because they were not complete. They had like 6 to 7 players out of that first 11 because of injuries. And McAllister just they come back from World Cup, he no play again. So that was why we beat them hands down 4-2. We told my own kill us for that match. We escaped. Yeah, so it is what it is. Take it in good stride. our own Namuku buy players to make sure say our depth in squad gets quality, not just quantity. That's the things we need to correct moving forward. Me, I dey highly optimistic say Arsenal, you can't deny the fact that we are in the right step, we are progressing, we're in the right track again. So let's see what next season holds for us, and especially this summer transfer window, let's see how we recruit. The way they recruit, then will determine how the future will be. So Arteta going to give us updates about Martinelli injury. So Baba Koleton say the guy need wear protective cast for his leg now. He wearing protective boots rather. So the thing we did then now be say we never really know what's in the stop with him. Whether I go play again this season, I've been at the next season. Whether I go even feature for this season after not friend whether they play pre-season, we never really know. Someone just watch. You see they go do scan. After the scan, they'll come give us the answers. So, okay, like this, nine do am. So till then. If you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So, signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out.